So leak about outsider ready me be na faso na block it free all social media platform, WhatsApp, Facebook, TikTok. Like it will not allow, they won't allow it for them to publish it. So what you say, and this is what you do. Obi opinion browser, obi your browser na or browser na be say ya, and then you just type here stop NC stop NC see any stop NCII.org yeah, say net here, say net here, and then you just come here. Say what do you do if someone is threatened to share your intimate images? Until you just create a case. Who create a case in area? Say in a beba. O type we are saying a beba. Until nearma here near and not align with green. Then you come here, agree. And I say, what's your age? So you are above 18, and I say 118. You just have 18 years and above. Now, a walk and I say, a you be, oh, yeah, mobi, and I wouldn't you be any image in my first one. So you won't over type myself. Say you won't be over type me and someone I know. Say you will be for over type of someone else. So if it is me, I'll just type only here myself. So Baba said help us understand what is in the image so that we can be sure the correct services for you. So no type say in public now a video now no but in public. They won't say in private place over type in private place. Now what be so nude or semi-nude or I'm fully clothed. So now we shout out there, one shout out there, and now who are you kura over for we nude. Now I'm engaging in sexual act. Abia now new be na having an affair, and I'm record here until better type no. Yes. No say. Have any of your intimate image or video already shared online? Say I post what you can send you dada and I will send you dada there. Say I'm on focus so yeah over type yes. But so when send mu bia e woni pa no phone no so kwa dia obefa no. Na che say when send mu bia ba unim se wa send mu bia na won send mu bia obepeke I don't know no so. Nti say nipa no threat you say one man is car obey publish it. And no befa I know so. But say when they can publish it yeah obefa yes so. But so unim so I publish it yeah obefa I don't know so. So what you say? Say yeah completely 60%. Any of your image already been shared online, fastest way to get help is reporting directly on the platform. To earn a report different platform, visit our report guidelines. So next, so you just come here. Nti hano obesalati image na or threat so be share no. So what you say? And I say so e wo phone so that obinya wa so e new phone so dia manipa no nya den ensan ne mount. Or say, or best and you say, or the threat, and then you pick it there. Our phone so I mean delete it into best select image. The image no select here, or mom found image in your fee, or mom pen. They won't be using image, they are creating some code, hash code here, and the Bemawa will be creating into a creating for that almost system. So, best and all the social media platforms like Meta and all those stuff. WhatsApp, TikTok, Facebook, other Instagrams. Who best select image now until you come to your gallery and then over picking image now. Unfortunately, I don't have those kind of image view I say and I say. So let's take ABR. There's some video so let's take this. So a bit generator once one file image so you have to create your password here, so you create your password and it 10 password. No, it must be a 10-character password. So what you say? Yes. So yeah, guys. So my creating my password now, which is 10 characters. So you just type here next. So 9 out of 10. This is how it is. And see, we image in this upper so the pictures, the photos, ni become one. Plus sign, so now select be account. Maybe our videos no dozen, 2 or 3 videos. And you know, picking in say be one video there, you just pick one. But say maybe 2 or 3 videos and images, then you have to select them. So my creative BBI into the person in the image, I'm over 18 years and above. So this is here. I'll submit. But me nude anywhere in internet, I'll just cancel it. But say what they are will be threatened to say or share with image or publish or nude, maybe I'll leak video be. This is the procedure you have to go about it. So when you can make a case which my report to my police for. But when you high say and was a way obey report to be and high say it's not just creating a website. This is just an organized website. Yes, it's an organization. Many social media platforms. A show massive. Yes, and this is where I'll end. Because this year, me publisher picture na me selecting in Nyami Ankasa. Picture na me selecting Nyami Ankasa. So I cannot submit the form to them. But say who offer process this is how you submit to them. So we are take I say. I also understand that if I lose my case number or my password, I will not be able to check my case because our password now may create and then number so you shouldn't lose those credentials, password and the case number. And yes, sir, you won't mean check it. So when you say password, case number now always wait my room. I check it the number of videos or must stop it. So what I say, and I understand that by creating a case, I consent my hash being shared with participating companies. Into participating companies in a WhatsApp, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, like many social media platforms are you use. So this is how you go about it. Don't forget say we know website near stopncc.org and then you log in, you create everything. So this is about them, about us. If you want to read more about them, I say you get more about them. You get more, you to read more about them. And I help over 300,000 individuals. Yes. Into a so guys, if your leak is out or somebody is threatening you to leak your leak, this is how to go about it. Share more obi so enya because ye threat you obi mutu ya ransom because of their leaks. So this share more name more. Yes, amount for to your ransom. Yes, demanding ransom for their leaks. So guys, I quit. Bye bye.